morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I'm here for my weekend haul for you guys. Y'all, your girl is at all-time low right now. Not all-time low, but a new low. I hit a new low. Blah, blah, blah. I hit a new low this week, you guys. At 130, which is crazy. It's so crazy. Oh my gosh. I'm like, oh my gosh. And so this weight loss journey has been absolutely freaking amazing. It's been 9 months strong. And as always, if you guys want to follow me on my fitness channel, I just did a challenge over there, y'all. I wore a 35-pound weighted vest for 5,000 steps for a whole week, you guys. And I actually lost weight with that, which put me down to where I am now, which is so freaking awesome. But I'll have a link for you in the description. So listen, I need 15 offers for $5. I'm really not sure if I'll be able to hit that. I can probably do the oikos again because I've been eating the hell out of some yogurt lately. And I could probably do the beans because those are so freaking good. And that's a limit of 5. So that would take care of 10 if I really want to just do that. I'm not sure yet, but if I hit the weekend, that's cool. If not, then I'm okay with that too. The larger bonus, I only need like 3 more offers left, so that is my goal, is to knock that out. But if I can hit 15 offers and get back 15, that would be great as well. But if you're new here, yes, if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button, support your girl. And so without further ado, we're gonna head over to Walmart. Well, I'm gonna run into Sprouts really quick and see if they restocked on the orange juice. I'm gonna reshare the orange juice deals that I did. They were flavor wiki deals. 4 out of 5 ended up being a moneymaker. And so the only one I couldn't find was the Matt's something orange juice. It's here at Sprouts. They had to restock, so hopefully they restock today. And so other than that, you guys, we're going to head over, see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl, if you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
Right. I think I might cave. I think I might cave and just grab these. I figure my dad might like them. He's into the Jimmy Dean situations over here. So they're priced at $7.53. I'm going to grab a total of 2 of them. I'll pay $15.06. Getting back 7 on Swagbucks, and then a total of $3.64 on checkoff if you want, making these only $2.21 per box. All right. And we're going to be grabbing this Bush's Bush's sidekicks again, priced at $1.62. Getting back 77 cents on Ibotta, bringing these down to 85 cents. I think I'm gonna max it out this time around, just grab 5. And of course, I'm gonna be grabbing this deal again on the Oikos Pro. It's priced at $1.54, getting back 40 cents on Ibotta, bringing these down to only $1.14 each. All right, and then we're going to go over the orange juice deals. Now, this is a flavor wiki deal, and it's only on the no Pope one. So the first one is on the Florida's Natural, which is priced at $3.36, getting back $5 through flavor wiki. Is going to make that a what? It's going to make that $1.64 money maker. Next we're going to be grabbing is the, where is it at? It's actually up here. It's the Great Value brand, which is $3.48. I'm getting back 5, makes it $1.52 money maker. Also grab the Tropicana, which is priced at $3.54. Again, getting back $5, making that one $1.46 money maker. And last but not least, we're going to be grabbing the Simply Orange, which is priced at $3.98, getting back the 5, making that $1.02 money maker. All right, so next up is the True Skin. I'm going to be grabbing this one here. It's priced at $13.68. Getting back $5 on Ibotta, and there's also $4 on Shopmium and $4 on Fetch, bringing that down to only 68 cents. All right, guys, so I'm going to be doing this deal again on the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. I only have one more little pilly / hang tag situation, so I'm going to grab one of these, priced at $3.98. I'll scan that coupon. That's going to bring the total down to paying $2.48 and getting back to one Ibotta, making that only 48 cents. All right, so I think I'm going to go ahead and grab the Hello 8-in-1 this time around. It's priced at, what is that? $6.26. For this, we'll be getting back $3 on Ibotta. There's also 550 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.20, making that $1.06. All right, guys. So this deal here is on the soft soap body wash. Now, this is the same identical deal for the Irish Spring as well. They're just like tucked behind the register over there. And so I won't be able to get in over there. So for this, I was actually surprised to see these on rollback for $4.17. I was expecting them to be $4.97 for these right here. So for this, we're going to grab a total of 2 of them at $4.17. We'll end up paying $8.34 out of pocket, getting back 4 on Ibotta, and then 3 on Swagbucks, making them only 67 cents each. Okay, now the deal on the men's, I'll just pop it up. The men are priced at $4.97. So for that, you want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $9.94, getting back 4 on Ibotta, and then $3.50 on Swagbucks. It is one or the other, so you do have to grab either soft soap or Irish Spring. But the Irish Spring would be $1.22 each, which is what I was gonna get until I saw that these were on rollback, and I was like, okay, 67 cents each. We're grabbing this instead.
All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for today. I'm happy that this is mostly food because I love food. I'm not a huge fan of orange juice. I really honestly don't drink it. So all you see missing is what I needed to do my surveys. In fact, I'm gonna give all of that to my sister because nobody in the house drinks orange juice. Well, my dad does, but he drinks Sunny D, which, as y'all know, is not really orange juice. Just don't tell him. And so I'm gonna donate that. Now, really quick, let me go over a few things. Now, the flings, that was at Target. And I wanted to try something because, you know, you girls know for trying something. So I have 2 different offers on aisles. One is buy the cinnamon stick flavor, and it's free. The other offer is buy one, get one free. So I bought them both. Those were $8.99. You'll end up paying $17.98. And then I submitted the receipt for the cinnamon one first, since I only had to buy one for that one. And I got that back. The receipt for the BOGO offer is still processing. So I'll let y'all know how that works out. If it doesn't work out, I can always just take back the strawberry one. But I already got credit for the cinnamon one, which is why I did that receipt first. But if I do get it back, it'll make them both free, which is really cool. I've never tried them. And so I like trying new stuff. I do. And to not have to pay for it is even better. And so that was at Target. And then as far as Sprouts, I did the Sun Sip. That's an aisles offer. I think that was it $2.50 or $2.49? I think that was $2.49. And then you get that back through aisles. And then the whole cacao candy bar, that was $2.50, getting that back through Social Nature. And then the Arnica Montana, that was also at Sprouts, and that was $8.49, getting that back on Social Nature, making that free. I think that's all that I got there. I didn't find the orange juice. They hadn't restocked it yet. And so everything you see here retails $108.94. I had the $1.50 coupon. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $107.44. And then my sales tax for this was $3.71. Now, walking away with $34.85 from Ibotta, $20.47 through aisles. Flavor Wiki was $20. Social Nature, $10.99. My Points, $10.69. Brand Club is $4.50. Fetches for Shop Meme is $4. Checkout 51 is $3.64, and Shopkick is $2.20. So we walk away with a total of $115.34 in rebates. It makes everything you see here free plus a $7.90 moneymaker, which is really, really cool. After our sales tax, we still make $4.19. Few things really quick. Now, I did grab the Poise with this. But I didn't realize it was no longer on the sister apps, so I have to take that back. So I was short one rebate, so I went ahead and just got a Walmart gift card. It counted, and so I did hit my bonus, both my bonuses today. The other thing, Ibotta hit me up saying that they were reversing something because I got credit on Walmart rewards. I don't know if I submitted the wrong receipt or what, but those tattoos are going back. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna take back the ones that I got for $3. Which was like literally the day before they went on clearance for $1, or they dropped to $1. So I'm gonna take those back probably tomorrow with the Poise, without the receipt. I'll take back the receipt with the Poise because I didn't submit it anywhere else. But other than that, you guys, this worked out to be pretty awesome. If you make it to the end of the video, what was our emoji, Bug? Red. Oh, red, yeah. If you make it to the end of the video, our emoji is anything red, all right? Anything red if you make it to the end. As always, we appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. So it's been a while since I've done a taste test. We're going to taste the Jimmy Dean chicken biscuit, and we're going to try the Sun Sip we got from where? From Sprouts. I might go ahead and try this too, the cacao, and see if I like it. I got it before, and I never tried it, so... I feel like I'm cutting my bun off. Okay, perfect. So with the biscuit, I basically put the chicken in the microwave for like, I don't know, like 40 seconds. And then I put them both in the air fryer. The chicken in the air fryer a lot longer. I want to say it was probably in it for like 6 or 7 minutes. And that's what it looks like. All right. I didn't put any dressing or anything on it. It's not bad. I like that the chicken tastes like it's seasoned. It doesn't taste like bland. Let's try, what is this? It is raspberry lemonade, prebiotics, vitamins and minerals, soda with benefits. Let's see what it tastes like. It's not bad. It tastes like a carbonated water, basically. It tastes diet, though. It tastes like it's missing something. You know, all the stuff they put in soda. I want to taste another bite of this, though. Put some sugar-free jelly and see what it tastes like. That's actually really good. That's really good. I'm telling you, air fryer is the best. Like, I feel like when you put this type of stuff in the microwave and you wrap it in a napkin like it says, it just makes everything really soft and like smushy. And but when you put it in the air fryer, it's crunchy. Like, everything is crunchy. I'm not even joking. That's that. Cacao. This is made with cacao sugar. I don't think I'm gonna like this, to be honest. But I got to be positive. It's plant-based, 180 calories. This is 2 serving sizes, so if you eat half of it, 90 calories. I don't think I'm gonna like it, though. It smells like a fucking plant. That's what it looks like. The difference between taking a bite of this and taking a bite of that, I was like, this one I was like, this is a no. This right here, the Jimmy Dean, is a big thumbs up. I'm hoping I don't eat them all. This right here is okay. And this right here is just gonna go straight in the trash. As a matter of fact, let me just put it in the trash right now because I know I'm not gonna eat it, and I know ain't nobody else in the house gonna eat it. And so other than that, I hope you enjoyed this taste test, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.